In a steel fabrication shop, start by asking whether the part can move at all. Here, the part sits on the floor and is never lifted. The machine drives itself over instead. The workpiece never moves. So constraint 1 is the floor, aisle width and flatness become hard conditions. Constraint 2 is positioning, because the part lands somewhere different every time. The arm approaches, settles, and only then finds the start of the seam. Welding happens where the part already is, with no trip to a fixed station. That suits large heavy parts and batches that are not big. Constraint 3 is the trailing cable dragging on the floor throughout. Routing gas supply and working radius get planned together, not just the arm. Seam finding and accuracy figures are not visible here. Check them in the proposal. Send the part size, weight, and the aisle conditions in your shop for a review.